Asa ka naka-learn na?
Myself, because I am half English, half Bisaya.
Bawas na dyan muna.
Oh!
Na-miss ninyo ang outside world?
Yeah! Na-miss! Pero dapat mag-mask mo. Basta, basta dili mo kagawas.
Dapat mag-mask.
Guys, welcome to our channel. You need to mask. Or not, you will not go out. Because it's dangerous. You need to cover your mouth and nose. To be safety.
Yes. Very good, Winnie.
We're
Ilalula!
going to Padadha.
Ilalula!
Munto ta ilalula. Are you excited?
Yeah, I am! I want to see Nika, my best friend!
Oh,
My bestie!
your bestie. You want to see
Yeah.
your bestie. Who else is your bestie?
Princess and all my classmates.
And cousin.
And Nika and Padada.
And Padad.
And Princess.
How about you, Kuya? No one.
Sirit. Hello guys. Hello guys. No. Hello guys. You need to mask everywhere, not your eyes. Just in your mouth and nose. If you don't, you are not allowed to come. Just maybe. If I get wrong, we be back to home. So let's do it.
A few moments later.
Sayuwanin yung duha, oy. Nina, alik kaya makamata si Twin din mo. Alik. Sa gawas na mo. Kaya makamata si Twin. Dali. Sayo lagi kayo mo. Careful. Dili na mo sa gawas. Kaya makamata si Twin. Sayo lagi kayo mo. The baby is still sleeping. Baby dambuhala. It's morning na. Yan, hindi pa ako natutulog. Ito my vlog. Hi vlog, B-boy. Say hi. Ari, wala pa ako natulog. Okay na. Later. Vlogs ako. Hello guys! So, ayan. Tada! So, meron na tayong naluto. Ito.
Hello guys. Gising ko lang guys. Pusoy dos.
Okay. I'm going to sleep na. What are you doing, guys? What are you doing, guys? What are you doing?
Pillow pa!
Pillow fight mo? Good morning.
Oh, good morning. I just saying this is not going to the pool.
The pool. Unsay mong gikaon na? Unsay mong breakfast?
I don't know. What's this called?
Slice bread.
Slice? Ooh, I like slice. Daghan?
Pwede little lang.
Yay!
Okay. Next.
Next, look at this. Where's the? There you go. This is the suka. You need to. Mom,
Mm-hmm.
why did you lock it?
Okay. Oh, is that magic, Dwayne? Wow. Englishera lagi ka na.
Because I'm half English, okay?
Oh, you're half English. Unsa man ang half?
Yummy.
Yummer.
I'm scared of small. I am not scared of big.
Pwede ta magbisaya?
No, I don't want.
You don't want? Dili man ko how mag-English.
Okay.
You will teach me?
Yep.
Okay.
Ang anak ang kani,
Unsa ka na?
ang kani kay here.
Ah.
Ang kanang let's go. Ay, kanang kanang moto ta. Tus, let's go ready to.
Ah, ang mo ta, let's
Tus,
go.
basta moto ta sa gawas kay outside. Sa sulod kay inside.
Ah, thank you.
Tus sunod if you say the suga is off, the reel is, the lights are off.
Oh, right.
And
Asa ka na ka?
if you're scared and the reel is I am scared, please.
Oh, asa ka naka-learn, ana?
Myself, because I am
You're half? You're half? Unsa na half?
half English,
Half English?
half Bisaya.
Ah, half English, half Bisaya. Okay. Si Kuya, unsa man si Kuya?
Half Bisaya ra.
Wala English? Ano man?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Pilipino man na sa tit.